Oops, I think we were still muted. Good morning.
Good morning. Well, that happens. That happens to all of us. Good to see you. So we have a great teacher for you today. Her name is Kim Ann, and she's going to be asking for your thoughts and ideas because I know that you all have been working on the Carpet Mart task. So, just give me a thumbs up if you guys are ready to go.
I'm ready to go. Actually, can I go first?
All right. Hey, Kim Ann, I'm going to mute myself and I'm going to let you take over so you can answer Nikisha's question.
All right, Nikisha, if you want to go first, that's fine. So what have you been working on for this task?
Cool. So I think I'm going to share it so you can see it. So let me see if I can figure out how to do that. Gotta find the button that says share to screen. Okay, can you see it?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so for this equation, I started looking at the number of squares with different numbers of sides showing. So like I have green ones here, and I have blue ones and purple ones.
Okay.
And all the green ones have 3 sides showing, and the blue ones have 2 sides showing, and the purple ones only have 1 side showing on the outside, because that's where you measure perimeter from. And then every side of the square that is showing on the outside has a length that's the same as the figure number. So like in figure 1, they're all 1 long, and in figure 2, they're all 2 long. And in figure 3, they're all 3 long. So there's a pattern there. And then, so since for the green ones, there are 3 sides showing, you do 3F. So that's 3 sides times the length of the side. So I used F for like figure number. And then there's 2 of them showing. So you multiply it by 2. And then you do the same for the blue ones. So the blue ones only have 2 sides showing. So you do 2F. And there's 2 of them, so you multiply that by 2. And then for the purple ones, there's only 1 side showing, so you can just do F. And since there's 2 of them, you multiply that by 2. And when you add all those together, you should get the perimeter.
Okay, can I ask why you chose to put the 2s on the outside instead of like on the left side of the parentheses rather than the right side, like 3F times 2?
Because when you do it this way, you have to multiply it into what's after it, like order of operations, kind of.
Okay. So how did you choose this approach? Like when you first looked at the problem, did you immediately see this, or did you have to, think about it for a little bit and this is what you came up with, or did you immediately see this?
We struggled for a little bit because we couldn't get past figure 1. So I thought if we moved on to a different figure, it might be easier. And that's when we noticed that like the number of sides showing didn't change, but the size of the squares did.
Okay, that's really good. So how do you know that your answer is correct? Like, how do you know that it will work for every single case?
Because then all you have to do is put the figure number for whatever size rug you want into the equation where F is. So say Alonzo wants a rug that is for figure 20, then you just plug in 20 here. And it would be 3 times 20, which is 60. And then you multiply that times 2, and that's 120. And then it would be 2 times 20, which is 40. And you multiply that by 2, which is 80. And then, oh, sorry, my number's real bad. And then 2 times 20 itself is 40. And then when you add all those together, you get 240. So that's, it shows that that you always get the perimeter of the figure you're looking for.
Okay, and then finally, do you think that this approach or this solution is the most effective, or do you think you could find another answer that might be a little more effective?
I I think it's right, so I think it's good.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll go and speak with another student and you can keep working on this and see if you can find another solution that might work.
Okay.
All right. Amy, do you want to talk next?
Do I have to?
Let's just see what you have so far.
Okay. I'm gonna share my screen.
All right.